Good morning, Bachman Middle School. Today is Tuesday, April 25th. It is an A day. It is a band day 5, and I am Mr. Strand with today's Tiger Talk. First up, it's time for our word of the week. This week's word is verify. Verify means to make sure or demonstrate that something is true or accurate. And that actually brings us to this week's Math Tip Tuesday. Here's Ms. Wilson with more information.
Hey BMS. Today I want to talk about how we can verify in math. When you are working on different math problems, there are different ways to verify or to check to make sure that you have actually landed at the correct answer. So another time you might want to verify something in math when you are solving equations. So you can see on the left side here, I started with an equation, 4x plus 8 equals 24. I followed my steps to undo the operations until I was able to figure out what that missing value for x is, or at least what I think it is. So once you get x equals 4, you can take that number and see if that is correct. You can verify by going to the original equation and replace that variable with the number 4. So I did that here in green. 4 times 4 plus 8 equals 24. And follow order of operations. You get 16 plus 8 equals 24. And 16 plus 8 is in fact 24. So we would have verified that is correct. And the variable x is truly equal to 4.
Thank you so much, Ms. Wilson. Next up, the first ever BMS Bike Rodeo is coming up this Friday. And here to tell you all about it are Ms. Keelis and her daughter, BMS alum, Michelle.
Bachman Bike Rodeo. The Bachman BMS Outriders Bike Club, in cooperation with the MN State Safe Routes to School program, is having a bike rodeo after school this Friday in the front parking lot. Posters say out back. 3:30 to 5:30. Stay after school and come join the fun. There will be games and prizes, and you can use our bikes and helmets or bring your own. You will learn about bike repairs and helmet fitting. Dakota County Sheriff's Bike Patrol officers will be there. Come see their gear and ask about what they do. Bike Club meets before school from now until Memorial Day on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 7:30. Come and join us.
If you're planning to attend the BMS Bike Rodeo, mark your calendars for Friday, right after school, in the front parking lot. Finally, a reminder that we do not have win time again this week because of MCA testing. You should still log into Flex Scheduler to make sure that you know where your testing location is for MCA reading test. Make sure that you know where you are supposed to be tomorrow morning. But that's all for today. We'll be back tomorrow with more Tiger Talk. See you then.